Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to mass hiring announced by TCS, and RecruitCrm is also hiring for the freshers batch. Batch of 24-25 can apply. Tech, non-tech hiring is posted. If you are from technical courses, BE, BTech, ME, MTech, if you are from non-tech, BCom and other courses, you can apply for opportunity. Like and share the video. These opportunities are very good for all of you. Before starting the video, I have request from all of you. With the help of everyone's support, we are nominated for Topmate Creator Award, and it will hardly take 2 to 3 minutes to give your vote. If you given the vote, thank you so much. If you are not given yet, you have to just go to this link. You have to click upvote 5 times in each of the category. Okay, this is the very simple process, and this award is dedicated to online learning family. I want support from all of you. Okay, TCS announced the BPS opportunity mass hiring for 25 batch arts and commerce, and exam date is 11th October. Registration end date is 11th September. TCS BPS hiring. Okay, BCom, BA, BBI, BBA, BMS, BSc, expect max physics, computer science. 25 batch can apply for opportunity. Okay, this is frequently asked question. Everything is there. Test pattern is related there. RecruitCrm officially announced the opportunity for software engineer 2025 batch, and they are hiring for the freshers batches fully remote. Remote is the location. Okay, intern software engineer, 35 number of position, BE, BTech, BCA, BSc, MTech, MSc, computer should apply. Okay, duration stipend, internship stipend 7,500 per month part time. Okay, after that there is a training stipend of final paid 6-month training. After that there is a 7 lakh package. Okay, online MCQ test, technical coding round, general skill based, online coding based, technical interview and final interview. Okay, there is a opportunity for 2024 batch as well, that is UX designer intern. It is also remote. 24 batch can apply for opportunity, but like when we check the open jobs position, so there are multiple jobs in the RecruitCrm. Okay, so engineering fresher, media opportunity is also there. If you are from BE, BTech, BCA, BSc, MTech, MSc, computer science, you can apply. 24 batch is eligible for the opportunity. Everything they clearly mention. Open jobs are there, you can check and apply for opportunity. The thing is, apply for opportunity. What about the 25 batch? You have to fill all of your details in this form. Upload CV, everything, professional detail, pass out year, current CGPA, college name. Okay, latest mark sheet, upload 12th mark sheet, job associated file, everything you have to fill. Social media details. Okay, what's your state and country, ID proof, and you have to submit your application. 25 batch, again I am mentioning. Okay, this is one of the biggest opportunity. Okay, so must apply for opportunity. Our hiring process is unique and consists of multiple screening round. The process will commence in the first week of August 2024. Okay, like basically the process will be ongoing till September 2024, and this is the process. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching the video and share this video with your friends.